Your Holiness, I'm trying to generate Bodhicitta to become a Buddha for the sake of everyone. But here's my question. Do I aim to get there first so I can help? Do we all get enlightened together? Or should I wish for everyone to awaken first and I'll come last in line?
Or you can say there are three different ways. They say Bodhicitta mind like a king, Bodhicitta mind like a shepherd, Bodhicitta mind like a boat owner. Bodhicitta mind like a king is saying something like king normally leads from the front. So first the king goes, that means you attain Buddha first, and then after attaining Buddhahood with so much power, then you help all other sentient beings to follow you. So that's like a being like a king, Bodhicitta mind like a king. Now the second one is something is called like a shepherd. Shepherd is something that you normally, all the sheep in front of you, you first send like bodhisattvas. Bodhisattvas, they say, until all sentient being is enlightened, you will not be enlightened, something like that. So this is like a shepherd where you send everybody, all the sentient beings ahead of you, and then you remain yourself behind. This is like a shepherd. Now, like a boat owner, Bodhicitta, like a boat owner is something like you are all together in the boat. When you cross the lake, the owner, the people, all the sentient beings in the boat, when you reach the other side, other shore of the water, everybody is together reach the other shore. So it's like a boat owner. So they are basically three different ones, but they are all same.